So friends, this is MacBook Air 2014 model and I'm using macOS Ventura on this MacBook Air 2014 model. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install macOS Ventura on unsupported Mac PCs. This is a special video for those who want to install macOS Ventura on unsupported Mac PCs. To do this process, you will definitely need two things. One is a stable internet connection and another one is minimum 16 GB pen drive. So without getting much more delay, let's get started.
So friends, you can see that I am using a MacBook Air 2014 model, and on this MacBook, macOS Big Sur is the last version which I have got on this device, and this is unsupported Mac. First of all, you will have to go to a browser and just access this website. The link will be given in the description. Here you will find Open Core Patcher GUI app. Okay, just download this. I have already downloaded and install this. Run it. Just put it on the desktop, close it, double tap on it. You'll have to wait here, click on open, and now just click on settings, and here just go to app and click on allow native options, click yes, and now click on SMBIOS settings. Here we'll be selecting advanced option and then the SMBIOS model.
Here you will have to choose a MacBook Pro model which is officially confirmed that will get macOS Ventura update.
I'm selecting MacBook Pro 13 and just click on generate custom serial number, then click on yes, and then just click out return, and now just click on build and install Open Core. Here just click on install to disk. Here you will have to wait here for some time. Select the disk and select the EFI folder. After putting the password of your MacBook, click OK, then click OK. Now you will have to reboot your PC. Now just by clicking on reboot your system. Again click on restart, and after restarting just put the password of your MacBook and hit enter. Just open Core Patcher tool, click on create macOS installer, download macOS installer. Just wait here for a little bit. Okay, now just select for macOS 13.4.1, that is macOS Ventura, and here you will have to wait till the download is completed. Now it is validating itself. You will have to wait here. Now just put the password of your machine, then click on OK. Now it will ask create macOS installer. Click on yes. Now plug the USB to your MacBook. Now plug a 16 GB USB to your MacBook. The USB is shown there, and just click on install Ventura and select the disk and click on yes. Put the password of your MacBook again and click on OK. It will take few minutes. You will have to wait here. Now it's showing that successfully created macOS installer. Now here you will have to click yes here and click on install to disk. Now just select the USB drive, select EFI and put the password of your MacBook, then click OK. You'll have to wait here. Now just click on reboot and press and hold the option key on the keyboard and restart. Just select the EFI folder. The icon will be like this. Select and hit enter, and here select the install Ventura. Click enter. Just wait here to boot up. Now just click on disk utility. From the drop down, click show all device. Select your main disk. Click on erase. Put the name of the disk is Macintosh space HD and ABS guide format. Then click on erase. Just wait here for some time. Now click on done. Just close it and select install macOS Ventura and click on continue. Click on agree. Again click on agree and select your drive that you have created, Macintosh HD. Then click on continue. Here you will have to wait until the installation process is completed. Your MacBook may restart several times. You don't need to be panic. Now on the screen, just need to configure the macOS as your own. Congratulations, it is installed. Now after start, click on OK and just click on install to disk. Just wait here. Now just select the disk 0 and select EFI and put the password of your MacBook. Then click on OK. Now just click on reboot, restart you. Now you can remove the USB from your MacBook. Now the MacBook is booted up. Now you have to put the password of your MacBook and hit enter. Now just go to app drawer and open the Open Core configurator. Just select post installation patch. Click on start. Click on yes and put the password of your MacBook. Click on OK, and this will install all the needed drivers on your MacBook. Now just click on reboot and restart. Now put the password of your MacBook again Everything works fine. Graphics also works fine.
If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We will meet on another day on another topic. Till then, take care.